Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Listary settings on Windows in this complete 2026 guide. If Listary isn't working correctly, your settings have become misconfigured, or you simply want to restore the default configuration, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, make sure Listary is running on your computer. Look for the Listary icon in the system tray near the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the icon and open *settings* or preferences ***. Inside the settings window, check whether your version of Listary includes a *reset settings* or restore defaults ** option. If it's available, click it and confirm your choice. Listary will restore its default settings while keeping the application installed. If you don't see a reset option, close Listary completely. Right-click the Listary icon in the system tray and choose **exit**. You can also end the process from Task Manager * if necessary. Next, reopen Listary and review the settings manually. If the problem still exists, uninstall Listary and then install the latest version again. A clean installation will recreate the default configuration files and remove most settings-related issues. After reinstalling, restart your computer and launch Listary again. Test the search feature and other functions to make sure everything is working correctly. If you previously exported or backed up your settings, you can import them after confirming that Listary is working properly. Otherwise, configure the application again based on your personal preferences, and that's how you can reset Listary settings on Windows in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.